let us look at the live demo or our application. So we'll divide this into two parts. So every page front end part will be explained by me and back end part will be explained by Rishikesh. So talking about the front end part. So let me sum up what our application does. So our application takes the resume from the user, it parses it, and it removes the important words from the resume, and it fetches the API data, and it compares the fetched important words from the resume and gives the relevant jobs to the user. So this is our front end login page where user will log in to get into the application. If they don't have a login information, they can create a new account. So they'll enter their username and password, and there they'll upload their resume, and then they will click on register. So let us try the login now.
Okay,
Yeah. So
so
here,
we just have to, for login, the user just needs to enter his username and password, and then he'll be directly redirected to the dashboard. If the user doesn't have a account on our app, then he can just click on the create an account button. He just has to provide a username, password, and his resume. So when he uploads a resume, all the keyword, all the extraction part of our application is done when he uploads the resume. So for now, we'll be demonstrating an already created account that we use to test. So there you go.
so this is the dashboard where you can see all the jobs are displayed according to the resume, which was uploaded by Rishikesh, or whoever the user is who uploaded the resume. These are all the jobs displayed. You can see the job names, date, and all the company name as well. On the left side, you can see the SmartHirePRO logo, and on the bottom there is an upload page. So we'll go to upload page. First, let us see how we are getting all the job display here.
Okay, so as soon as the user enters the dashboard, our external, our API communicates with the external API and provides the API with all the keywords that we extracted earlier. So now this is one of my resumes that I've provided over here, and it's basically on backend engineering. So you can see keywords like backend engineer, uh, automation engineer, test engineer. One of my keywords is Python, so you'll see a few jobs that have Python in it, like this one, this one, this one. So this is just this is just a demonstration of how uh, jobs are recommended based on the keywords from a resume. So we'll now go to the upload page.
So this is the upload page where the user will upload their resume, clicking on the choose file and then uploading the resume.
Yeah, so this is just a functionality that we've provided, like I talked about earlier. If the user wants to browse for a different job role and has a specific resume for that job role, he can just upload it over here and then browse through the all the jobs that the resume is suited for. Okay, now we'll just go to a job to show you the description.
So we went to log in, we logged in, we upload the resume, we saw the dashboard where all the jobs will be displayed. Then we saw the upload page as well. And now when you click on the job which is displayed according to your resume, this is the page which is going to open. So where you can see the job type, job description, employee ID, employee name, salary type, currency, maximum salary, expiration date, as well as the link to the original job. So all this are displayed from our API, and we can also see a relevant score right there. When you click on there, you can see that there is a relevant score which is it will display, and you can see what according to your uh, like the resume it matches, and it will show that. Yeah,
Yeah,
there you go.
so like I said, this is another page that we where we communicate with our external API to get all the details. And this relevance scope is generated when we send this job description and the user's resume, and we compare it using our pre-trained spacey model, and that model sort of retrieves the relevance score, generates rather the relevance score of the user's profile and the job description itself. And you can see that it is 84% for this job. And it's basically just uh, converting all the sentences into vectors, and it's just a sentence to sentence comparison of the description and the user's resume. It doesn't take into context all the meanings of all the words and semantics, but it's just a sentence to sentence comparison, what words are in the sentence and what words are in the user's resume. So that's it for a live demo.
Yeah, and when
Thank
you
you.
click on the link, you can go to the
Oh yeah,
actual
I can
page.
show that. So if you click on this link, you are redirected to the job itself.
So this was our live demo of our application. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.